Привет всем! Russian Pay presents. I'll get there in a second. In the last two videos, we covered how to report what somebody asks you in Russian and how to express doubt. If you haven't seen those, here's a link for you. They're just about 5 minutes each. And in today's video, we are going to look into when asking questions with if is grammatically correct, but doesn't really make any sense. And we're also going to talk about life on Mars and what Russians search with Yandex. Yandex is basically Russian Google. Готовы? Тогда за мной! Today we're going to dig a bit deeper into Russian particle li that sometimes is translated into English as if and sometimes just isn't translated at all. General questions are the questions which can be answered with simple yes or no. Do you like Billie Eilish? Yes? No? I don't really care, she's cool. Anyways, тебе нравится Billie Eilish? Да? Нет? Russian grammar rules allow you to ask this question with if, ли. Нравится ли тебе Billie Eilish? Which in English will be like if you Billie Eilish. Does it make sense? No. Can you do this? Yes. The first question sounds very common. The second one sounds like there's something more to the question, almost as if your answer will mean a lot to the person who's asking it, as if they're testing you. Did you watch the new Charlie's Angels? Ты смотрел «Последних ангелов Чарли»? Did you like it? Shall I go see it? I'm just asking. But if you add li to it, it will be just weird. Смотрел ли ты «Последних ангелов Чарли»? Watched if you the last Charlie's Angels? I don't know. Yes? No? Please don't hurt me. Now, let's see when questions with li do make sense. They are rhetoric questions that don't really ask for an answer. Rhetoric questions help you bring up the subject, start a conversation in a philosophical kind of way. Is there life on Mars? Есть ли жизнь на Марсе? You don't expect the yes-no answer, do you? You want to start a conversation about it. Well, if you ask, на Марсе есть жизнь without ли, that would sound as if you want a true or false answer. That could work, of course, if you're talking to a Mars specialist. Is there life after death? Есть ли жизнь после смерти? Is what you say when you're just wondering. You don't really expect the other person to give you an answer. You want them to get engaged with the subject. Now, if you say после смерти есть жизнь, then this would imply that you're expecting a certain answer. Same way as if you asked if there was any ice left in the freezer. So the option with li would be your way to go if you want to go into a deep metaphorical argument, just like we Russians love it. On many occasions, rhetoric questions help us express frustration. Imagine you're angry and you ask those kind of questions that you don't really mean as questions. You say, can't you even hear me? And you don't expect them to really answer. What you're saying by it is that you think that the person isn't making an effort to understand you. In Russian, it would be «Ты меня не слышишь, что ли?» By adding this что ли, it literally translates as what if you are expressing your frustration. Are you stupid or what? This is a way for you to show that you think they're stupid. Ты дурак, что ли? We also use li to verify information. And what's the most common tool we use? The almighty internet. Imagine you're not sure if you can put foil into the microwave. You're thinking to yourself, I wonder if you can put aluminum foil into the microwave. No, please don't do that. Just don't. Read the manual carefully. Интересно, можно ли класть фольгу в микроволновку? But you don't take the time to write I wonder in the search field. You just go, can you put aluminum foil into the microwave? But the wondering is implied, so if li stays in the Russian version of your search, можно ли класть фольгу в микроволновку? So in this context, can you will be translated as можно ли in Russian. Wondering what are top searches in Russian Google that we call Yandex? It's not like we call Google Yandex. Yandex is a Russian company, Russian search engine. So I started typing can you, можно ли, and here are the top 5 searches. Можно ли использовать? Можно ли жарить на оливковом масле? Можно ли провозить алкоголь в багаже в самолете? Можно ли восстановить? Можно ли есть сырую свеклу? Well, these are the things that are concerning Russians at the moment of the creation of this presentation. Before COVID, before Belarus, before, well, you know, the old right optimistic before. I think you're ready to sum it all up. We use li in rhetoric questions. We use что ли at the end of a rhetoric question to express frustration. We use li when we ask questions online. You don't have to use li in questions if you don't have a good reason to do that. Phew, that was quite a lot. Feel free to study this presentation one slide at a time. No one will blame you. I learned something for myself as well. I could never spell or pronounce the word rhetoric without consulting a dictionary before making this video. Repetition is the key. So practice your new skills by searching something on Yandex just every now and then. And make sure to comment what you've searched for. Like and subscribe and like to my channel Russian Pie if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you and пока!